Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to quickly demo my date picker add-in for Excel. Now, Excel has its own date picker, but I find sometimes it's not easy to use across different versions of Excel, and setting it up can be a bit challenging, especially for people who don't code and things like that. So what I decided is create my own, and how it works is once you've installed the add-in, what you do is select a cell where you want to enter the date, and then press Control Shift Z, and that'll pop up this calendar. So by default, it'll go to the month and year that I'm in. So if I just select one of these boxes, the 12th for May the 12th, it'll populate that date in that cell. If I go to another cell, hit Control Shift Z again, I can navigate back to previous months. I can go forward, doesn't matter. The one thing that I set up a bit differently than the normal Excel date picker is changing the years. Rather than clicking and selecting the year that you want, I can just type in, let's say 2019, hit enter, and it'll update on there. So you don't have to worry about navigating through the different months or years. You can just enter it right there and it'll automatically update. And if you change months, you'll stay in that same year. So that should make it a bit easier as far as navigating through different years. So this add-in is completely free. I'll leave a link to the post in the description, and then I'll also tell you how you can go about installing an add-in, which is really simple. All you're doing is saving the add-in somewhere on your computer, and then when you go to add the add-ins, you just have to select it from that folder. There's a default one that you can save it to that can work, but you can also save it anywhere. So that's in a nutshell how my date picker add-in works, and hope you find it useful.